Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lay opponent on table in WWE 2K25. So there are actually two ways. The first way is using Irish whip method. So for that, press circle twice on PlayStation, press B twice on Xbox and press L twice on PC. Once they are near the table, move the right stick up on PlayStation or Xbox or press Ctrl plus I on PC to place the opponent on top. So this is method number 1, and the method number 2 is that where you need to grab your opponent. So for that, press circle on PlayStation, press B on Xbox and press L on PC. Now we need to drag him. So for that, press L1 on PlayStation, press LB on Xbox, press U on PC. Move them to the table and use the right stick up on PlayStation or Xbox and Ctrl plus I on PC to lay them on it. And yeah, that's how you can lay someone on the table in WWE 2K25. If this video helps you, please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.